Sorry ass DJ.
Tol, good morning. Dito tayo ngayon sa Villagayti dahil 62 years anniversary na ang Bao Paris Multipurpose Cooperative.
Sorry ass DJ. Sorry ass DJ.
Honorable Philemon Espares, Co-op NATCO Party List Representative, to Attorney Emilio Escudeta III, Regional Director, CTA Region 5, to Ms. Marichu Pobre, Acting Assistant Regional Director, CDA Region 5, Director Nico Walalin, BDO Chairperson, and the rest of the members of the Board of Directors, PAALCO, Ms. Maria Fatima Alvarez, the General Manager, Chairpersons, and members of the different committees, to all the members of the Baao Co-op present today, Diyos maray na ramram po kanatong amin. Unang-una po, allow me to congratulate first on the 62nd Annual General Assembly. This year's theme, cooperative, is stronger together today for a brighter tomorrow. It is not just a slogan, but a truth that defines who we are and what we can achieve together. Susapon po, nagkaaguman po kami General Assembly, kana BMOPC, akala mo pong chairman, kana co-op man, shared a powerful message from the cooperative pledge. When we are alone, we are weak. But with others, we are strong. But today, let's take it a step farther. When we are alone, we are strong. But when we are together, we are even stronger. As individuals, we have strength in our ideas and abilities. But when we unite under the shared purpose of cooperative, our strength amplified. Our cooperative is not just a group of people. It is a reliable support system where each member is like a brick in a starting wall. Para kang nakasandal sa pader at hindi sa hangin. With the cooperative, you are not leaning on something unstable. You are backed by a collective strength built our years of hard work and unity. When one of us faces challenges, the cooperative steps with support, and when one succeeds, we all share in the victory. The bond grows deeper, not only because we work together, but because we genuinely care each other well-being. Today, let us reaffirm our commitment to this cooperative, not just members, but as partners in progress. Let us take pride in the strength of our unity and build a brighter tomorrow for our families, our community, and for the future we are creating together. Thank you, and let us continue to grow, strive, and succeed as one cooperative family. Just mabalus po and mabuhay.
Thank you very much, as always, our beloved mayor, support and esteemed presence as guest of honor at the 62nd Annual General Assembly of Bao Parish Multipurpose Cooperative. Your dedication to public service and commitment to community development have greatly contributed to the success of this event. Given the 16th day of March, in the year of our Lord 2025, on the occasion of its 62nd Annual General Assembly at Villa Gaite Fashion Hall, Lavitalaba, Camarines Sur. Signed Fatima A. Alvarez, LPD, CCM General Manager. Signed Director Minor B. Openia, Committee on Awards. Signed Director Domingo Emboli, BOD Chairperson. Again, Bao Parish Multipurpose Cooperative Awards is plaque of appreciation to Honorable Jeffrey S. Bisilio.
It's DJ. Sorry, it's DJ. Sorry, it's DJ. Sorry, it's DJ.